Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the HSL Keyer in DaVinci Resolve. First, open DaVinci Resolve and head over to the Color page. Select your desired clip and add a new serial node. This ensures your keying adjustments are isolated. Next, locate the qualifier palette and choose the HSL Keyer. Grab the eyedropper tool and carefully sample the specific color you wish to key out from your footage. This initial step is crucial for a clean starting point, so take your time to select accurately. Once you've made your initial color selection, it's time to refine the key using the hue, saturation, and luminance controls. Start by adjusting the hue range to precisely isolate your target color, perhaps narrowing it by a few degrees. Then, modify the saturation controls to include or exclude similar color intensities, ensuring you capture all relevant shades. Finally, fine-tune the luminance range to manage brightness variations within your key. Remember to use the highlight mode to visually confirm your selection, aiming for a solid white matte on your subject. After refining your HSL selection, move on to the matte finesse controls for a professional finish. Adjust the denoise slider to remove any speckles or grain, typically starting with a value around 2 or 3. Then, increase the blur radius slightly, perhaps by 1 or 2 pixels, to soften harsh edges. Employ the clean black and clean white sliders to further sharpen your matte, pushing the blacks to 0 and whites to 100 for a crisp result. Don't forget the invert option if you need to key out the selected area instead of the background. To achieve the best results with the HSL Keyer, always work with high-quality footage, as this provides more data for a cleaner key. For complex keying tasks, consider using multiple nodes, perhaps one for the main key and another for refining specific areas. Remember to feather the edges of your key slightly, maybe by 5 to 10%, to ensure it blends seamlessly with your background. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different settings and combinations. Practice is key to mastering this powerful tool in DaVinci Resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.